Microsoft's new web browser for Windows 10 officially has a name. It's called Microsoft Edge.
CNET editor Dan Ackerman joins us now, and we'll talk about churros as well later, Dan. So about this Microsoft Edge, what do we know so far about it?
Well, this thing, Microsoft is kind of rebooting its operating system. They're going from Windows 8 all the way to Windows 10, and in order to kind of get rid of a lot of like the bad vibes people had, they're getting rid of a lot of things. They're getting rid of Internet Explorer, the big web browser you've used for years and years. The new one is called Edge, and it's supposed to be on the cutting edge of web browsing.
So is this going to work only on Windows 10, and when will customers actually start using it? When can they start using it?
It is for Windows 10 only, but that's across tablets and laptops and desktops and phones. People will be able to use it when the operating system comes out, probably later this year, maybe summer into fall, and it really kind of brings it up to date, i.e., as people call Internet Explorer, is really sort of behind the times on a lot of technologies that other web browsers like Chrome and Firefox had.
I just sort of feel, though, that if Microsoft is trying to build a new web browser from the ground up, that there's going to be, already, as you point out, IE is old, and I don't even know. I use a Mac personally, but I think that, don't you see a lot of bugs, a lot of issues? Because they're going to have to do a whole bunch of...
Anytime they do that, but they're also bringing it up to code kind of, and getting on board with a lot of web standards that they've ignored up until now. They're adding things like extensions, like you're able to put the little Pinterest button up in your bar that you really couldn't do on IE before, but you could on Chrome and other apps. So they're making it sort of more compatible with more things.
And before I let you go on this subject, Dan, what will happen to everybody else who's still on the old browser? Are they going to have to, if you have an older machine?
They want everyone to be on Windows 10, and to do that, they're letting you upgrade for free for the first year of Windows 10 if you have an older Windows machine. So their goal is to get everybody on the new system, so they only have to service one operating system.
All right.